Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure Edge is actually allowed to open PDFs and that it's current. First, set Edge as the default PDF app so the OS hands files to it. Once done, open Edge's settings and confirm the built-in PDF viewer is enabled. If it's blocked, files won't render. Finally, update Edge from the About page so you aren't troubleshooting a bug already fixed in a newer build. These steps remove permission and compatibility causes up front. Next, repair the app if enabling and updating didn't help. Use Windows app settings to run Edge's repair or reset. That restores core files without a full reinstall. Then disable any PDF extensions or third-party handlers that conflict, and try opening a file in private to rule out profile issues. Also clear the cache and temporary data. Corrupt cached renderer files can prevent PDFs from loading. These middle steps target corrupted files, profile conflicts, and extension interference. If repair fails, backup bookmarks and profiles, then uninstall Edge and reinstall the latest version. A clean install fixes deeper corruption. If immediate access is required, install a standalone PDF reader and set it as the default while you finish troubleshooting. Make sure the PDF files themselves aren't blocked by right-click properties. If things still go wrong, run System File Checker. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to repair OS file issues that can prevent Edge from opening PDFs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.